Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Price. Your vehicle growling noise while driving. The speed up sometimes make more noise. To safely lift up four wheels, it depends on two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and then speed up you can hear close to your ear to the wheel and then make growling noises. I figure out left front make noise, and I go to left front over the wheel and valve knot. Next, remove brake calipers. Remove brake caliper anchor bolt 18mm to the side brake caliper. And then now it's the last spot, brake roller tooth knuckle, and then spray the lubricate and hammering and separate brake roller. And then remove ABS sensor for the hub bearing job. And then push the back using the hammer, and then with some chisel, and then push the back axle shaft to access rear hub bolt, and then push the back axle, and then much easier to access hub 4 bolt. Using the ratcheting wrench or socket, whatever you use, and then remove 4 hub bolts, and then hammering back the tapping using the hammer, or if we have a sliding hammer, and much easier to take out from hub bearing assembly from the knuckle. Now easy got the whole hub bearing. It's one piece is hub and hub bearing. That's why Ford one is much expensive. Clean up as much as the hub knuckle inside and outer matching hub area, and then dirt out axle spline, and then lubricate a little more, and then put a new hub bearing assembly, and then thread wrap sealant to put on the thread, and then if you not use the new bolt, and then tighten the hub bolt 122 foot-pound, and also thread wrap sealant and an axle shaft, and then tighten the hub knot, just temporary tighten, and then put back the brake and ABS sensor wheel, and then roll the car, and then tighten wheel nut to 100 foot-pound, and then now finally hub knot to 128 foot-pound. Now you guys can drive it, and then nothing more any noise present. Thank you for watching.